Hi. Today we're going to be unboxing our two different types of detachable waist trainers. Okay, so I'll show you the difference between the two of them. So let's start with this. Okay, so this is how you get it when you order from our website or anywhere from our Instagram page or Facebook. Okay, so unboxing this. So for this video I went for a size L. A size L is for a size 12 to 14. So you make sure when you're ordering from our website, make sure you go with the measuring card there. So this is a detachable one. I'll come closer. You can see it's got something. So let's go in straight. Then you see. So that's the first one. It's got two belts. I snatch it. First look. And you can play with the belt. So any area where you want to emphasize more compression, so you go for it. So this, with us wearing it with the belt. So if you don't want the belt to show on maybe a bodycon kind of outfit, yes, you can take it off. And that is me wearing our KCL hook and zip style waist trainer. So grab yours from our website, available in sizes X to 5XL. We're online, Calicious Collections, Google Calicious Collections, Instagram Calicious. Hi everyone, this is the second review on our second type of detachable waist trainers. Okay, so let's just get into it. This is how you get it when you order from our website or from any of our online stores. So I'm just going to be revealing the difference in the other detachable waist trainer. So the good thing is got the two belts. Then this is a zip style. So this just only zip style, while the other detachable was hook and zip style. So let's get into it. So this is so easy to wear as well. And like if you don't have anyone to help you, you take your waist trainer. Yeah, and there we go. You zip and you pull down, and you take it little by little. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. This got this two belts. So stretch and snap. The first belt, because there's a two belt, is also available in 3 belts. Okay, detachable. So that's me all snatched up. So if you're wearing a bodycon or you're wearing an outfit that you don't want anyone to notice you're wearing the trainers, you can take this belt out. Yeah, they're so easy to take out. So that's you. So that's the difference between the other detachable belt we have as well. So grab yours from our website, caliciouscollections.com.